Guys, welcome to our channel. This is Franklin Trade. In this video, I would like to tell you about finding balance in market instability and operating at a truly high level without experiencing drawdowns despite all market fluctuations. And guys, be sure to watch this video until the end, as in it I want to tell you about working in an unstable market. Trading in such a market requires special attention, a strategic approach, and readiness for quick decisions. And today I would like to outline a small plan for you that will help you effectively manage your investments in conditions of market instability. At the same time, as always, I will try to motivate you as much as possible, so in honor of the launch of our channel, I'm announcing a competition for $500 which will fall on your deposit if you follow 4 simple steps. Subscribe to us on Telegram and to this YouTube channel, watch the video from start to finish and don't forget to write a comment. The results of the competition will be announced in our open group in Telegram. All winners will be announced there, so don't forget to subscribe. So, have you subscribed to the channel? Did you like the video? Did you press the notification bell? Then let's begin. Moving on to the analysis of the first currency pair, Euro and British Pound. So, to begin with, I want to highlight the support area on the graph. Below it, the trend has not been able to break through so far. Then we can see attempts by buyers to saturate their volumes, leading to a gradual upward trend with periodic sideways and impulsive movements. A local maximum area is forming. Now, predictably, the market undergoes a reversal, forming a bearish trend on the graph. We observe strong selling positions in volumes and all other indicators, so the trend, albeit with periodic corrections from buyers, confidently moves down towards the support area. At the moment, closer to our entry point, we see a relatively rising bullish trend, but with constant corrections and impulses resembling more of a sideways formation. The market is in unstable state, so it is essential to pay attention to indicators which clearly indicate that while a sideways formation is taking place, the main movement within this sideways will be downward impulses. Therefore, I will trade on the downside. Switching to the broker, I initiate a trade for a 3-minute duration, investing $700 in a down trade. Guys, the trend is clearly entering a sideways phase, and our task is to act quickly and decisively on the impulses because all circumstances have aligned for such impulses. I'm confident that we will witness a wave-like pattern on the graph, as there is enough strength and potential from buyers for corrections, so we can expect serious attempts for them to sway the price. But let's keep a close eye on it. And while the first trade is in progress, I want to share with you the first few points from my small plan on how to navigate in an unstable market. First, market analysis. Carefully study the current market situation. Use both fundamental and technical analysis to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the factors affecting assets. Second, choosing the right assets. Prefer stable assets with low volatility. This may include currency pairs with moderate fluctuations or, for example, stocks of large companies with a stable performance. Next, setting a strategy. Develop a clean trading plan. Define stop loss and take profit levels to limit potential losses and secure profits. Consider using different types of options to diversify your strategy. And one more important piece of advice: don't forget about risk management. I won't tire of repeating it. Limit the size of your investments to minimize potential losses. It's recommended not risk more than 3 or 5% of your trading deposit on a single trade. But at the same time, I understand that even such basic things can still seem complicated, especially for beginners in trading. You need to continuously learn and strive to improve. And if you feel insecure but at the same time are ready to work together in a well-coordinated team and achieve financial independence, then the following recommendations are especially for you. I invite you to become a part of our exclusive VIP group in Telegram, where a unique experience awaits you and a new perspectives. Our team will provide you with an individual analysis that reveals your strengths and weaknesses. In addition, you will master aspects of trading psychology and learn how to develop your own trading strategies. Under our guidance, you will gradually put the acquired knowledge into practice during your daily trading sessions. If you are striving to change your life and achieve success, our team is ready to provide you with all the support you need. Just send us a personal message with the phrase, "I want to join the club," and you can discover a lot of new things. It is important to remember that to achieve your dream, you need to invest a lot of effort, overcome all your fears, and constantly improve yourself. Well, all the necessary contact information is available in the description under this video. So, the first trade has come to an end. It wasn't an easy one, but overall the sellers held quite confident positions, trying to counter all the attempts by buyers for corrections. As we can see at the beginning and in the middle of our trading session, the bulls did make some minor upward moves, but in both cases, these attempts were overcome, allowing me to increase the deposit by $546 in a net profit, locking in the gains. Moving on to the second currency pair, British pound and US dollar. In this case, at the beginning of the graph, we again observe sideways movement caused by high activity from both bulls and bears. Furthermore, buyers break out of this flat, significantly saturating their volumes, after which we see the formation of a clear bullish channel with the creation of a resistance area. Now we note a classical reversal. All indicators unequivocally point to a downward trend. Yes, with corrections from the bulls, but that is precisely what we observe on the graph. Afterward, the trend re-enters a sideways phase, but based on all indicators, this movement will continue in the future, at least in the context of this unstable market. It is crucial for us to act on downward impulses, which in this context will undoubtedly be present. Again, switching back to the broker, where I will once more open a trade for a 3-minute duration, this time investing $800 in a down trade. Guys, once again, we are in for a challenging trade and are currently in a flat, and attempts by buyers to reverse the trend will likely be encountered throughout this trading session. I won't be surprised if we see clear impulses from buyers on the graph and a more stable sideways response from sellers. Successfully locking in profits will probably happen towards the end of this trade. In summary, I'll be closely monitoring. And as we accompany the second trade, let me add to my small plan for working in an unstable market. Always stay informed about the news. Be aware of economic and political news that can impact the market. News can significantly influence volatility, and it's crucial to react quickly to changes in the situation. Always use technical indicators. Employ technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to identify potential entry and exit points in the market. These are invaluable tools for forecasting, which I myself constantly rely on. Don't underestimate their importance. And last but not least, flexibility and quick reaction. Be prepared to swiftly change your strategy based on market conditions. In unstable market conditions, flexibility and quick reaction can be decisive factors. And at the same time, I understand that all of this might seem like advanced mathematics to a beginner and could potentially discourage them from engaging in what I wasn't hesitate to say is a complex business. However, don't worry, our channel is here to help you overcome all difficulties and achieve success in this field. Join our open Telegram group where people with common goals have come together: personal growth, financial independence, and overcoming fears. In our group, you'll receive daily analysis and we'll share our thoughts and valuable trading advice. Special attention is given to preparing your psychology to help you cope with the challenges that may arise during trading. I believe that your success depends not only on knowledge, but also on a stable psychological state. Now is a perfect time to take control of your life and move forward. I encourage you to shape your life in a way that you truly enjoy and earn a decent income for your efforts. Joining our friendly partner group will be your first step towards professional success. You'll find all the necessary contact links in the description below this video. Well, the second trade is coming to an end, and just like in the first case, this trading session was not easy. The graph was very impulsive, the trend swayed back and forth, but ultimately all attempts by the bulls to reverse the trend were overcome. Thanks to the right strategy and emotional control, I managed not to exit the trade prematurely and close it correctly with a good profit on the deposit. Guys, trading in an unstable market requires a trader to maintain a high level of attention, professionalism, and a readiness for risk. Adhering to discipline, effective risk management, and constantly updating your strategy will help you survive and even thrive in volatile market conditions. Don't forget to learn from your mistakes and gradually improve your skills, and the results won't take long to show. In conclusion, I will remind you that you subscribe to the channel as well as to our open and closed groups in Telegram, because we have even more deals ahead, even more interesting news and training. In general, a lot of useful things for you, which is aimed at enabling you to work as productively as possible and reach those heights that yesterday seemed unattainable. Thank you for all your attention, and remember, everything is in our hands.